Morning, everyone. Day one, Eugene, Oregon. Had a little bit of wet weather last night, but overall this morning so far a nice day. So we have the semi-pro 4-inch cylinder, Honda powered, electric start. We have a TW2, that's a pull start model. We have an HD5 electric start. We got the grapple, we got a bundler. These are the only two items available right now. Everything else is sold. We got a gas MP. I'll be doing a little video later uploading it. This thing rips super fast for a gas machine. And we got disc cleaner. "24-foot conveyor, all set up and ready to go." So, like I said, the only two items available at this show are the bundler and the grapple. Everything else is pre-sold. I'm going out to customers. Disc cleaner conveyor is going to California, along with that TW2 and the semi-pro. The TW5 is going to Washington, and so is the Pro MP. All right. Come on down. Weather's supposed to be decent. Look forward to meeting you.